everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clap your hands loud. This is a simple tutorial for clapping louder than ever before. I'm going to demonstrate for you right now. Listen to how loud this is. Really loud, okay? Really loud. Sorry for all the headphone users out there. I apologize. I know it's really loud. Now, I'm not going to show you the method where you line up your hands and go like this, because that can be done and that's loud, but it's a little bit harder to do. This is easy. I want to make it easy for you because it took me a long time to master that version of it, but this is way easier. What you're going to do is you're going to master the art of creating an acoustic chamber. So in the palm of your hands right here, what you want to do is the easiest way is you don't have to line them up, because if you line them up, you got to be perfectly in line. But if you go like this, you can be a little bit more this way or that way. It doesn't matter. It's still going to work. So what you want to do is get your hands like this, okay? And in order to create an acoustic chamber, you have to create a pocket that the sound can resonate in and echo in, okay? I'm a musician, so these things sort of make sense to me. But just to make it clear in layman's terms, if you create this pocket, the music can reverb inside of it and echo and get really loud, okay? So, you know, you want to create this acoustic chamber. How do you do that? With the palms of your hands. As you can see right here, if I clap like this, I'm creating very little airspace for the clap to echo and become louder in. But if I go like this, all of a sudden now, I'm creating that acoustic chamber. So first and foremost, create your acoustic chamber, cross your hand like this. Cross your hands like that, and clap like that. That's step number one. And you should hear almost like a hollowness to it. That's how you know you're doing the right thing. Once you do that, you're going to do two more things to make your clap really loud. You're going to really get your hands together with a lot of force. In addition, you're going to manipulate your hands to perfect that loudness. So once you've mastered the art of hearing that hollowness, go a little bit harder, a little bit wider, and then manipulate your pockets slightly until you get that perfect sound. So check this out. Hollow, harder, and manipulate my hands. There we go. And you get this loud sound. Just like that. Woo! Okay. Oh! Wow, that hits the ears. As an added bonus, once you master the art of doing that, you can actually move your hands slightly down so that instead of being palm to palm, you're like this area right here to palm. That really gives it that extra clap sound, right? Just like that. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.